Well, I tried to spray for weeds, organically speaking, and I saw a video of the guy who goes, oh, I sprayed, and look, it's been almost a half an hour, and everything is dying. Well, I was like, oh, great. So I sprayed, and this is dying, the place right here, but it didn't do it in half an hour, and I sprayed all this. Do I see any results? Not as fast as one guy said. I like being true on my videos. I like being honest on my videos. I just speak the truth. And right now, I'm not really seeing much of anything except for those grass and clovers where the vinegar and the Epsom salt and the soap worked with just spraying. Now, do I have to soak it into the root system? I don't know. Now there's some results there, but what I really wanted was to get rid of this mess here. I'm not really seeing it. Now this one did. Notice that? So yeah, it did some work. You look at that, the edges of those leaves. And it's been about 2 hours. Now I did that. So, and then this here, and some here, and you see some browning there. So I guess it does work as long as it's very tender, because the real big stuff, I'm not really seeing much of anything done. Now I sprayed along this fence line, okay? Now remember, I saw the video and it was been a half an hour, and I don't see much of nothing. Now I'm gonna spray again. Not today. I want to see if this works the way that I saw. Look at those. Those are blackberries getting ready to ripen on my plant. 4-year-old plant. But overall, I see some effects. I don't see a lot. So let's see what happens the rest of the day. It's supposed to be about mid-90s today again. And we'll see if anything else happens. Now you gotta be careful that you don't spray it on your plants, or that it doesn't get a breeze and come over and get your plants, because then you could have problems like you just saw. You dry out the leaves. Look at that. See, that's not enough water. I gotta come over here with a hose and water these things. It's just not going to survive. Good thing I work later. I was going to go in early, but I have to water these plants because it's just too hot not to. But just for FYI, not everything is what it is said to be online.